Hi, my name is Lorne Brown. I'm the clinical director of AccuBalance Wellness Center in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. And one of the most common questions I receive is how to stop the embryo from falling out after an IVF embryo transfer, or can the embryo fall out after an IVF transfer? And the short answer is no. The embryo will not fall out after an IVF transfer. And the reason being is the embryo is placed deep inside the uterus, so it's not going to fall out. And it's once been described to me, which I'll share to you, that the uterus is like slices of bread with thick peanut butter and jam on it, and the embryo is like a grain of sand. And the grain of sand is placed inside the uterus, and these two pieces of bread with that thick and sticky peanut butter and jam are together. And so that embryo is not falling out of that uterus. Now, the embryo may migrate a little bit, just like that grain of sand may move a little bit on that slice of bread, but it's definitely not falling out. Another question I get, because again, at AccuBalance, we go on site for the local clinic, All of Fertility, and we do their acupuncture on site for embryo transfer, those IVF cycles. And a common question we also get is, can I pee out the embryo? Especially right after the transfer, when you get to empty your bladder, that is a common concern and gives some anxiety to some of the women about they're going to accidentally pee out the embryo. And that also can happen. That's also impossible. So the orifice, the opening of the urethra, which you pee out of, is different from the opening of the vagina, which the embryo is placed up past the cervix into the uterus. So there is absolutely no chance, if you're peeing, that the embryo will come out with urination. So rest assured, you can't pee it out. And as I mentioned before, when the embryo is placed in the uterus, it's not like this big pocket, like a balloon, where there's this space that it can fall out. Think of it as the reproductive endocrinologist shared with me. It's like slices of bread with peanut butter and jam, and they're together. And so that grain of sand, that embryo, is not going to fall out. If you're looking for support or questions on how to optimize egg and sperm quality leading up to an IVF retrieval or a transfer for frozen embryo transfer and on transfer day, please check out our website. We have lots of information. That's accubalance.ca, and we're located in Vancouver, BC, Canada. Wishing you the best of luck with your upcoming IVFs.